Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to install 100% Orange Juice game on PC, and this is for the Steam users. So open Steam launcher and then here search for 100% Orange Juice and then click on this result 100% Orange Juice. Scroll down. Here you will see get 100% orange juice, and currently this is absolutely free. The sales ends on 22nd December. So click on this play game and then click on install. Now go to the library and here you can see 100% orange juice is getting installed on my PC. So by this way you can easily install 100% orange juice game on your PC via the Steam launcher. And this is absolutely free currently, and the sales will end on 22nd December. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.